Our today's topic is this and that. Our today's topic is this and that. Tha and ha makes da. Isa is, da is, this. This and that. That, how we will pronounce that? Tha, ha makes da. Et, ha, et, da, et, that. So this is this and that. Okay, now we have to understand where we should put this and where we should put that. Okay, our question will be like this. There will be a gap and this will be written in here. The dash is an orange and the picture will be like this. There will be an arrow, short arrow, and there is the picture. Okay, and dash is an apple and there will be a long arrow which means far, and there will be any picture of anything. Okay, now we have to understand what we should put in front of the sentence. Okay, should we put this or should we put that? Okay, so we have to memorize our children that when anything is near us, then we have to use this. When anything is near us, we have to use this. And when anything is far from us, then we have to use that. Okay, again repeat after me. When anything is near us, then we have to use this. And when anything is far from us, then we have to use that. Okay, that's how we have to do the rest of the sentences. Okay, now let's do it. Dash is a bat. So now look, this is a short arrow. That means this is near me. This is near us. The bat is near us, so that's why we have to use this. And the next one is dash is a bird. Look, the bird. This is a long arrow, and the bird is far from us. So that's why we have to use that. Now this one, the same thing. The arrow is short. Dash is a tree. The tree is near us. That's why we have to use this. And this is a long arrow. That means the glass is far from us. So that's why we have to use that. So sorry. We have to use here that. Okay. Okay, that's it for today. Hope you understand it. Okay, now assalamu alaikum.